How's it from South Africa? My name is Traci Scerri. Thanks so much for being here. Today I'm doing a pearl pour on a 40 centimeter round with about a 2 centimeter deep edge. And I have painted it in two colors because I want to attempt a sort of a landscape pour with some sky and some ground. And this is my test piece that I did, and I really like the results. So this is what I want to try and get on this giant round. Okay, so that is the idea. We don't know what's going to happen. So let's just get going and see. All right, let me start with the sky colors. I've got 3 pearl colors and 1 pour over per section. Now, let me just think how I want to do this. I actually want to do like lines of color because I want it to have a sort of a landscape feel. So we're going to go for something like this. Obviously the way I tilt it out is going to make a difference. So I want to tilt towards the top and then the bottom, or vice versa, and then the sides. So I keep that horizontal feel. And I don't mind in the middle if they blend together, the blues and the browns. All of these products and paints are from Bastion paint. It's a local South African company based in Durban, and they make a wide range of acrylic pouring products. Now I'm going to do the pour overs. I'm not going to torch yet because I want to torch afterwards to get the bubbles to create more pearls. Fan of this part here. So I'm going to put a bit more here. Now there's a huge distinct line there, so we're going to have to fix that up. definitely happier with the sky now. Quite a lot of paint there where I added. I'm hoping that's not going to give me a problem when it dries, cracking or something. But it looks cool, so I'm going to leave it. All right, let me bring you in for a close-up of the wet result, and then stick around because I'll show you the dried result as well. I suspect it will still develop a little more in the sky section. Let me put the flash on, and you can see the shimmer. I love the sky section, and I'm so glad I worked on that bit that I didn't like. I really love these colors, and oh, it's lovely. I think we'll get a few more pearls through there. And then this is the ground or the land section, which I love too, but I wanted more pearls. I'm not sure. I don't think I used enough pour over. I don't think I used big enough puddles of pour over. But look at that. Very cool. Lots of shimmer in this piece, of course, because I love my metallics. The edge looks very cool as well. I've got to catch these drips. And here it is, all dry. No varnish yet, but it looks wicked. There's a lot of sparkle in the metallics. I'll try and catch it. I've got the flash on because my lighting is not great in here. And we're also having a terrible storm at the moment, so it's extra dark. Look at these details. I'm really glad I fiddled with that sky area that I didn't like. This is one of my favorite parts here. That shine, that shimmer. And then onto the ground section is also very shiny. Just love how it looks like layers of rolling hills, you know. Really love this piece. The sides. Hope I'm picking this all up properly with the camera. But yeah, there you have it. Let me know what you think about this, and what do you think? Should I put gloss varnish on or resin, or give me your thoughts on that. And thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not yet subscribed. And if you like this piece, you like this video, give me a thumbs up and all that good stuff. It really helps with the algorithm. I'm sure you've heard that before. Thanks guys, have a brilliant day. See you next time.